Hello and welcome to the Mayor's Moment podcast, where each week I come to you about how smart cities can be smart too. I am your host, Eugene W. Grant, Mayor of Seat Pleasant, a smart city of excellence. Today, we'll take a deep dive in the fourth and final step of our process. But first, let's do a quick recap of the process we've discussed over the last few weeks. For cities starting a smart city transformation, we recommend they start at the basics by leveraging their existing assets as the cornerstone for progress, then beginning to re-engineer processes so that they are more efficient, and then modernizing and integrating IT infrastructure and legacy systems. Only once these steps are completed do we recommend step 4, which is infuse your city with innovative technologies. Examples of innovative technologies include command and control systems, such as LED lighting controls or emergency management systems, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things sensors. At Seat Pleasant, we've begun to implement all of these technologies. First, we implemented an emergency management system designed to help our police department maintain public safety for our residents, businesses, and visitors alike. In the next few weeks, we'll begin installing LED lighting controls on many of our light poles. These systems will allow us to dim or turn off our lights as necessary, and thus reducing our costs through increased efficiency. In addition, illuminating dark areas of our city will help combat crime and improve public safety for all. We've also begun to install various IoT sensors throughout the city aimed at improving the quality of life in Seat Pleasant. For example, smart trash cans keep our streets clean and alert staff when they are full. Smart environmental sensors will measure humidity, temperature, CO2 levels, and other pollutants so that we can inform our residents of the air quality in the city. Measuring our air quality will allow us to pinpoint trouble areas in the city so that we can begin to take actions to mitigate the problems and hopefully begin to reduce the prevalence of asthma in our city. Finally, our virtual chat agent, powered by IBM's Watson, is how we're using AI. The biggest benefit of this solution is that it gives our residents 24/7 access to their government. These are just a few examples of the innovative technologies we've begun to implement in Seat Pleasant, and we're just scratching the surface. We plan to have citywide Wi-Fi so that we can combat the digital divide. We plan to have smart home programs with services tailored to help our senior citizens age gracefully in their homes. And we plan to implement technologies in the areas of smart mobility, smart healthcare, smart policing, smart energy, and smart civic engagement, just to name a few. And in conclusion, I want to reiterate that all of this would not have been possible if we had not started at the basic. That's this week's episode on Seat Pleasant's A Smart City of Excellence Mayor's Moment podcast. To find out more on how we're making this possible and to allow our own digital transformation, we invite you to visit our website, www.seatpleasantmd.gov, where we continue to engage, educate, and empower. Until next time,